Have you ever wondered what it's like being a student during a pandemic? Well, let me show you a glimpse of it. I'm Christine, and this is a day in life of a student during a pandemic. Hello everyone! So for today, I'm going to teach you a tutorial about the cumulative frequency distribution. But before anything else, let's discuss what cumulative frequency is. So starting off, cumulative frequency is where you add the frequency until you get the last result. So here, I created a table with my own example. In the first column, you can see that it's called a miraculous. A short description on what the miraculous is: it is a magical jewel wherein they give the ability to transform their holders into becoming superheroes. Then, the holder in the second column is the one using the miraculous. So, let's go back to our table. In the first column, we call it as the group data. In the second, it is where the frequencies are listed, and on the third column, it is where we're going to solve, which is the highlight of our video for today. So, let's solve. In order for us to start, we're going to copy the first frequency. So, we put in the first box the number 6. Now, in order for us to know the answers below, let's just keep on adding until we get the last result. So it's going to be 6 plus 6, 12 plus 5, 17 plus 3. And we're done. So the number 20 will be the total number of current miraculous holders. Now it's graphing time. In order for us to find the coordinates, let us first check the highest value in the first column per row. So in the first row where we have 2 to 6, 6 is the highest value and we are going to list it as the x-axis. And the result of the cumulative frequency will be our y-axis, which is also 6. In the second row we have 7 to 12. 12 is the highest value, so we're going to list it as the x-axis. 12 is also the cumulative frequency, and we're going to list it as the y-axis. In the third row where we have 13 to 18, 18 is the highest value, so we're going to list it as the x-axis. And 17 is the cumulative frequency, which means it will be our y-axis. Now for the last row, we have 19 to 24, and 24 is the highest value, so we're going to list it as the x-axis. And for the y-axis, we're going to list the number 20. Now that we have plotted the points, we have to find the median, the upper quartile, and the lower quartile. Now, to find the upper quartile, we have to multiply 75% to the total number. And to find the lower quartile, we have to multiply 25% to the total number. And lastly, to find the median, we have to multiply 50% to the total number. So for the upper quartile, it would be 0.75 times 20, which is equal to 15. Now, for the lower quartile, it would be 0.25 times 20, which is equal to 5. And for the median, it would be 0.50 times 20, which is equal to 10. After finding the median, the upper quartile, and the lower quartile, we now find the interquartile range where we subtract the upper quartile to the lower quartile, which will be 15 minus 5, which is equal to 10. That's a wrap. I hope you guys learned something today, and I hope you enjoyed my video. Now, this has been Christine, and remember to keep on learning and stay safe. Bye!